Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to share and scan WhatsApp QR codes with others.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
WhatsApp recently pushed an update that lets users add each other via QR codes. With this update, you just need to send your QR code, or scan another person's code to add them instantly. Watch this full video to learn how to use WhatsApp QR codes. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots from the top right corner. A drop-down menu will open. From this menu, tap on Settings. Look to the far right of your name and status, and you will find a small QR code icon. Tap on it. This will generate your curated QR code for your number, ready for sharing and scanning. You can take a screenshot of this page, and share it with someone, or wherever you want. Or simply, tap the share icon on the top right. And you can share your QR code via various social media apps. You can select any of this. Then select any contact, and share it. To scan a QR code, simply swipe to the right. And you can now scan the QR code by pointing the camera at the screen of the person's phone. You can also add the QR code without the camera, by searching for the image via the gallery. Simply press the gallery button at the bottom left of the scan code screen, and search for the image. You can change or reset your QR code anytime. For this, tap the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Reset QR Code. From the confirmation window, tap on Reset. Your QR code has been reset. So in this way, you can share and scan WhatsApp QR codes with others. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.